If you want to enable LED flash for notifications on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video, I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Accessibility. And over here, you will find the option of Audio and Visual. Just tap on it, and at the bottom of the screen, you will find the option of Flash for Alerts. Just tap on it, then enable the toggle for Flash for Alerts. And below that, you will find the option of LED Flash. Now just make sure you select LED Flash instead of Screen or both. And after you do that, the flashlight of your iPhone will start blinking when you receive an alert or a notification. Now at the bottom of the screen, you can select when you want to enable this feature. You have the option of Flash while unlocked, and if you enable this feature, your iPhone's flashlight will blink for alerts even when your iPhone is unlocked. Also, you have the option of Flash in silent mode. And if you enable this toggle, the flashlight will blink for alerts even in silent mode. And this is how you can activate LED flash for notifications on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.